Alright, so no filters and using a crappy camera phone. Just got done coating the car. I'll try and hold it steady. I mean, it's amazing how the car looks even with a bad phone. And can you believe it? When I was polishing the tires, a bird pooped right on my hood and it splattered everywhere. A little frustrating, but for the product that I use to get this beautiful shine, check it out. The link will be in the description. I highly recommend it to anybody who loves to take care of their cars, trucks, SUVs. And of course, hit that like button and subscribe. Whew, that could have been bad. So pulled the Mustang in, closed the garage door, and this came falling down. This heavy spring. So it came swinging down, slammed against the door, and luckily did not come out and hit the car. Wow. Jeez. This, wow, so that's broken completely. It looks like, I don't know. So that could have been banned. That could have messed up the car a little bit, but luckily everything is good. So amen to that. What's going on, guys? So wanted to do a quick video talking about the SCT-X4 BAMA tune programmer, and I think if you get that one, you get free tunes for life, which is really awesome. It's a cool feature. Recently, so I've had it on the Mustang for a couple months now, the tune, and you know, I see people complaining about the tune and this and that. The only thing I can come up with why someone would complain is the tune is designed like in first gear. You know, if you're not moving quickly, like if you're just kind of cruising from 0 to, you know, whatever, till it shifts to second gear, first gear winds out really high, and it will stay winding out until you pick up more speed for it to shift to second. So I think with that aspect, if you're just cruising along slowly in first gear, it's going to wind out, and obviously that puts a little more wear and tear on things than if, you know, it shifts quickly into second or whatnot. You know, second to third and so forth is fine. I haven't noticed any issues there. So I think that's the biggest thing. But they do that because it gives a lot more power. So for example, if you get on it decently, you know, not beating it, just get on it decently, it'll shift, you know, it'll wind out but then shift right over to second gear. So I think that's where some people complain, but you know, I've had no issues with it. That's the only thing I could come up with, but besides that, you know, I love the tune. I love it and I'll keep it. So that's my thoughts.